world's aviation history is the strange disappearance of flight MH370. On the night of 8 March 2014, while flying from Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia to Beijing in China, several theories emerged to explain this sudden disappearance. Satellite data of the flight signal or burst frequencies prior to its disappearance were plotted to predict the track after disappearance from radar. Data analysis thus resulted in potential search areas. Charts thus turn numbers into shapes and help you to draw conclusions easily. Consider another example of the Sensex chart in a stock market. We study a chart of variation in the Bombay Stock Exchange Index with time in years. On close observation, analysts could explain each variation by associating it with the occurrence of an external event. Notice the sudden fall in the BSE index during the 2008-2009 global slowdown. Thus, visual representation of data in charts facilitates data analysis in a simple, understandable manner. The immense potential of using charts was identified by Microsoft, and they came up with the Excel tool for chart generation from raw data. The charting feature in Excel is extremely flexible and powerful and allows you to create a wide range of charts from the worksheet data. Area charts are used to illustrate the extent of change between two or more data points. Let's learn how to create an area chart. Execute the following steps to create an area chart. Step 1. Enter data in MS Excel worksheet. Enter the months from January to May. Enter the cost associated with each month. Step 2. Select the entered data. To select the data, click the top left cell and drag the cursor to bottom right. Step 3. Under Main menu, select Insert tab. Under Charts group in Insert menu, select Area Chart and click on Area Chart type. Select an area chart from the list. Area chart is displayed on the worksheet. Bar charts are usually used to compare several categories of data. Bar charts are perfect for visualizing the distribution of data items for multiple categories. Execute the following steps to create a bar chart. 1. Enter data in MS Excel worksheet. 2. Select the data. 3. Under Charts group in Insert menu, select Bar Chart and click on Bar Chart type. The bar chart appears. Column charts are used to compare many items in a particular range of values. You can compare a single category of data between individual sub-items. Execute the following steps to create a column chart. 1. Enter data in MS Excel worksheet. 2. Select the data. 3. Under Charts group in Insert menu, select Column Chart and click on Column Chart type. The column chart appears. The line chart is one of the most frequently used chart types, typically used to show trends over a period of time. Execute the following steps to create a line chart. 1. Enter data in MS Excel worksheet. 2. Select the data. 3. Under Charts group in Insert menu, select Line Chart and click on Line Chart type. The line chart appears. One more frequently used chart is the pie chart. A pie chart shows the distribution of each data item over a total number of items. Execute the following steps to create a pie chart. 1. Enter data in MS Excel worksheet. 2. Select the data. 3. Under Charts group in Insert menu, select Pie Chart and click on Pie Chart type. The pie chart appears. A pivot chart is the visual representation of a pivot table in MS Excel. Pivot charts and pivot tables are connected with each other. Execute the following steps to create a pivot chart. 1. Enter data in MS Excel worksheet. 2. Select the data. 3. In Tables group in Insert menu, select and click on Pivot Chart. 4. Create pivot table with pivot chart. Dialog box opens with the pre-selected data range. Click OK. 5. A new worksheet opens. In the right panel, under the Pivot Table field list, select the fields that need to be added to the report. 6. The required pivot chart appears. Scatter charts in MS Excel are excellent for displaying correlations between two sets of values. Execute the following steps to create a scatter chart. 1. Enter data in MS Excel worksheet. 2. Select the data. 3. Under Charts group in Insert menu, select Scatter Chart and click on Scatter Chart type. The scatter chart appears. A stock chart is mostly used to illustrate the fluctuation of stock prices. Execute the following steps to create a stock chart. 1. Enter data in MS Excel worksheet. The given data example comprises of high, low and close value of stocks. 2. Select the entire data across all the 4 columns. 3. In Charts group in Insert menu, select Stock Chart option under Other Charts. The stock chart appears. X-axis, a horizontal line on which the variation of another component of the chart is displayed. Y-axis. The Y-axis is used to show the variation of different identities. Chart area. Chart area is the entire area that is reserved for accommodating the chart and other components such as legends, titles, and so on. Plot area. Plot area is a part of chart area which contains the chart. Chart title. Chart title is the text written in chart area which identifies the chart. Axis titles. These are the titles given to 3 axes, that is X, Y and Z. Legend. Legends are some sort of labels that identify different series that have been plotted in the chart. Grid lines. These are the horizontal and vertical lines in the plot area that enhance its readability. Data label. Data label is some piece of text which is written near data point to highlight some aspect of it. Data series. Data series is a collection of related values that are plotted on a chart. For example, the table on the left consists of two data series: walls and floor. The base area in the 3D chart is known as floor and the vertical area are known as walls. Let us summarize what you have learned in this video.